What's up, y'all? We back with another video. This one is going to be an unboxing. If it is your first time here, I just want to encourage you to subscribe, especially if you're into small business, if you're trying to become your own entrepreneur, if you like beauty and hair and skin and nails and all that kind of stuff, go ahead on and subscribe. So with further ado, let's go ahead on and jump right into this. So I went to the mall and I had intended to go there to go get something else. I was gonna get the Carolina Herrera, you know, the little cute pink heel, you know, the shoe heel. I was gonna get that. And then I could not resist this deal because this is what I actually end up getting. This is the Jimmy Choo I Want Choo perfume. First of all, look at the box. Can we just get a moment of silence just for the box, please? Okay, we back. I'm back with y'all. The box is so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead on and unbox this. Look at this. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so what's included? You get this little wallet, just this little coin pouch. Look at the detail. It got the Jimmy Choo right there. Put some coins in here, some money or whatever. Love the gold. I just thought it was so cute. And then the next thing is the Jimmy Choo perfume. This is the lotion, body lotion. Then I thought this was really cool because you get a travel size spray, and I've already started using this. So you could just put this in your purse. Actually, it could probably fit, it'll actually fit in this little wallet thing. Then the perfume itself. This is one of their newest perfumes. Look at the bottle. Like, Look at how beautiful it is. I love this. I love this for me. I'm finna put some on right now. Oh, you know what? I have a bad habit of just kind of rubbing it in. What I've learned is you just spray it on, just spray the area and just leave it. Don't mess with it. But this smells amazing. It was $100. What the price was? Let me see. It was $156. So you get all of this plus, hold on, the bonus. You ready for it? Y'all ready for the bonus? This Jimmy Choo purse. Yes, you get a whole purse. That's why that's why I end up getting this set, because to get a purse and then it has the chain. The gold chain is heavy too. I was like, oh no, this the better buy, because Carolina Herrera, last time I checked, she wasn't giving away no free gifts. So I just went on and got this little purse. I just thought it was I was like, this is cute. Real cute. Gold purse. I can put my little wallet in here. Put the perfume in there if you want to put the lotion in there, your phone. And baby, now you on your way to do whatever you got to do. So I just really like the fact that with this set, you got all of this for $156. It really was an amazing deal. And I got the last box. I was like, oh, I'm okay. Okay, because I knew somebody would come through and swoop it up. I still want the Carolina Herrera, okay? I still want that one. Now, if one of y'all want to gift me with it, all the information is in my profile. You want to get me something? You want to get me a New Year's gift? You know, y'all want to get me something? Send me an email. I can send my address information and we can make this happen. Like, we can make it happen because I still want that one. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed this unboxing of the Jimmy Choo perfume, the newest collection. And if you like videos like this, go ahead on, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment or two, and I'll see y'all the next time. Bye for now.